Balloons, final assembly.
Alright, on day 3 for the final assembly, you'll obviously need your balloon panels all glued together, a hexagon pattern to find in your storage, a pencil, some scraps that you've saved, a pair of scissors, tape measure, paper tape, stapler, glue bottle, and a gluing stand. Alright, the first thing you need to do is with your hexagon pattern, you need to take one of your scraps and you can line it up in a corner like I did. And you notice some of my edges might slightly go over the side, and that's okay because the top will work just fine that way. And you want to trace out with your pencil the sides. And then you need to cut this out because this will become the top of your balloon. The next thing you need to do is unravel your balloon panels. Peel back the edges from where you glued yesterday. And when you do that, just carefully lift back and run your finger along the edges to break them apart because they might be slightly glued together. You may have to slightly tear one edge. Here mine worked out pretty well. I didn't have to tear any little corners, but you do need to break them apart so they will become unraveled. Do these for all the panels. You'll know you're done because you can pull back each panel and pull the pieces out so you know that nothing is stuck together. Next, you'll need to put together the glue stand. And simply you open up these legs to the glue stand, and there's 3 pegs and there's 3 holes in the bottom side. To put it together like that. Then what you're going to want to do is open up your balloon. It's a little bit easier with your partner. You're going to open it nice and wide, and you're going to put it over this gluing stand. Put the whole thing down. This will allow us to glue the top on. You're going to need your glue bottle, and you need a thin line of glue. Again, never need to put a whole bunch of glue down around your balloon. Just want to make sure it's completely all the way around. And then your hexagon top that you cut out, you would place nice and neatly on the center and just pat it down into place. Next, you can examine your balloon and see if you tore any holes in it from your gluing process. I've got one small hole here, and you would simply just cut out a patch from your scraps like I've got here, and you want to just put a small amount of glue. You don't want to put a lot, just a little bit to make it stick. And glue it over the hole. You'll need 40 inches of paper tape. Find the paper tape, tape measure, and scissors in your station, and unroll tape measure, and then with the tape you need to measure out 40 inches. I'm here right at 40, and I can hold my tape nice and steady and just cut right at 40 inches. This paper tape becomes the bottom of your balloon. It's got this crease in it, and you can just bend it because you're going to use that crease. What you do is take this paper tape and with it open, fold it over just like that. Do it again just so you make sure you can see. With the fold over inside, take the stapler from your station and staple it, and like every 3 inches you're going to staple all the way around your balloon. The end, you do want to overlap it. when you're done stapling, you want to make sure that you, on the outside, so it's easy to find, you need to write your name on your balloon along with your student number.